Hello, everybody. So, Facebook no longer allows third party tools like ours to post to Facebook groups. It's still fine if you want to post to pages, but groups has changed, okay? They stopped allowing it, but we came up with the workaround. And there's a couple pieces of good news. The workaround has actually a couple of advantages. So, one of those advantages is you can now post to groups that you do not manage. So, even if you're not an admin, if you just belong to a group, then you can post to that through our scheduler. The second piece of good news is if you have a personal Facebook account and you want to post to that personal Facebook account, you can now do that through our system. And we've made it really easy to transition over to this new process. In fact, it's already going to be done for you tonight. So today is April 22nd. I'm in Pacific Standard Time. Facebook just stopped working for groups about an hour ago. And hopefully in the next 6 to 12 hours, we will cut over to the whole new system. And by the time you see it at that time, all of your groups should be migrated over. So any profiles that you already have set up in our system as a Facebook group will be migrated over to the new system. Furthermore, any posts you already have in the queue that were scheduled to go out to those groups, we're going to try to make it so it also goes to those new migrated profiles. So you don't need, let's say you've got 300 posts in the queue scheduled to go out over a year. Well, thank goodness you don't need to go in and change all of those posts. It should just flow right into this new system. So I'm going to show you how to set up a new profile using the new system. Then we're actually going to jump into the mobile app and show you how to complete the process. So first I'm going to go over to Workspace Preferences. You'll notice that now we have two sections. Publish Directly is only for Facebook pages because that continues to work the way it's always worked. Now, if you want to post to a group or a personal account, there's a new button down here. So click Add Account, and remember yours should already be there. Anything you had as a group should already appear, and it'll look just like this. So I'm going to click Add Account. So here's where you add your personal account, and here's where you add your group. And before I do this, I want to point out, if you don't yet have our free mobile app, you can click on iOS right here and download the app if you have an iPhone. If you have an Android phone, then you would click here. Our mobile app is available right now. However, the new update that allows you to post to groups is not approved yet. So that should be in the next day or two for Android. iOS is going to take longer. It's going to be at least a week probably before iOS gets around to being downloaded to your device. But at least all of the posts that are going out will be waiting there for you in your phone, including all the media, captions, everything. So let's continue on. I'm going to add a group. So let's say there's a group that I belong to, but I'm not an admin of, and I want to add that. So what I'm going to do is go and grab that group. It's called Social Media Marketing. So I'm just going to type in the name that I want the group to be called. In this case, this is the actual name of the group. And then it's going to ask for the Facebook group URL. So let me show you what it's looking for. I'm going to switch over to this group, and I'm going to move the window down here. See this right here? You literally grab this entire URL, and then you go back over here and you paste it in. That way we know exactly where to take you to, so you can just post it directly. Now the profile image, you can either take a screenshot of the group's image just so you can remember it quickly. I'm going to grab a profile image from my computer and upload that and then add this account. So now you can see it shows the profile and everything's right here. And if anything changes in the future, like if I change my mind and want to use a different profile, we've added this edit button. So now you can go in and make changes. So now that my group has been added, I can go back to the publisher and see it here. So I'm going to set this as a default on group. So let's just say, so sad that Facebook is not allowing third-party groups posting anymore. And let's say I want to also include Twitter for this. I can do that as well. It works just like your previous profiles, where you can go out to all your social accounts in one post. You can also schedule this for the future if you want, and it will notify you at the time it's supposed to go out. So I'm going to go down here and let's just attach some random images. Yes, I know these are not appropriate for this particular post, but I am just doing this for demonstration purposes only. And also note, you can actually add up to 4 images, or you can add a video. So I'm super happy we were able to get that feature in here. So it's very similar to the way it was. You can still post really nice posts. You can add watermarks like you could before. You would assign a category just like you do now. You can set it to repost. You can set it to email you when it's published, or you can hold it for approval. All of those features still work just fine. And from here, you can either add to queue, schedule it in the future, but what I'm going to do for demonstration purposes is click Publish Now. So as you can see, it's gone out to Twitter, and for Facebook, it's sent to the mobile app. So I'm going to switch over now and show you what I see on my phone, because the phone just notified me it's already there. It's super fast. I just launched the Campaign Share app on my phone, and this is an Android device. I have entered the same username and password on this screen that I used to log into the web app where I sent this post. So even if you have a sub-user login, or if you're the account owner or an admin, it doesn't matter. It works great on the mobile app just like it does on the desktop. I'm going to click Login. So it's going to enter directly into the notification screen. And it's actually going to skip the screen completely if you tap the notification that appears on your phone at the time it's supposed to go out. So let's say I had it scheduled for 3 p.m. I'm going to get an audible alert on my phone at 3 p.m. and the notification, I'll be able to tap that and it'll take me straight into posting that particular post. So it's very fast, very convenient. Notice at the very top here, it says, so sad that Facebook is not allowing third-party groups posting. Okay, so that is the latest one that I just sent from the desktop, if you recall. So these are the 2 images that I attached to the post. As we move down the page, you'll see that, so sad that Facebook is not allowing third-party groups. Okay, so that caption is there. And note that if I included a link in this post, it already would have shrunk that link and added all of the tracking code to it. So the way this works is it's already copied that caption in my phone's clipboard, and it's already downloaded these 2 images to my gallery. So it's ready to go. All you need to do is just make sure that you're logged into your Facebook app. So if you have the native Facebook app, as long as you've logged in at some point, even if the app is closed, this works great. So you're going to go ahead and click this Open in Facebook blue bar at the very bottom. Notice how it took me directly into the social media marketing group. So it's all ready to post. I just click write something at the bottom here in this field. And now I can add my photos or my video, and I can add the text. So let's just add the photo real quick. So I'm going to click the photo video button. And you notice I've been testing this a lot over this past week as we get this prepared for you guys. But what I'm going to do now, because it just showed me the 2 images, I know which ones they are. So I'm going to click the Select Multiple button at the top right, and then I'm going to multi-select these first 2 images and click Next at the very top right. Now it's going to say something about these photos. So all I need to do is tap in there, hold it down and just say paste. So now it already pasted the caption. I never even had to copy that to clipboard. I've got the 2 images and I'm ready to just click the post button. And that's it. It's as simple as that, you guys. The next time you have a post, you'll see a notification and it will take you directly into that particular post. If you want to post as a different user, well, Facebook app makes it really easy to switch into I'm going to discard this post. It makes it really easy to switch into a different user. So you'll be able to go back to your main screen, click back again, and if you want to switch into something else, this is where you can switch into that different user and post as your page, post as maybe a different user or one of your clients. So that's how it works. If you guys have any questions, just reach out to us in live chat. Thanks a lot.